Hello people, welcome back. Join me while we cook ayamase stew. I have my boiling water, onion, bayleave, salvio herb, rosemary. So I'm using turkey and chicken and fish and egg for this recipe. So I'm just adding them and I'll just try to stir. I'm holding my phone, guys, forgive my manners. I could not hang my ring light. There are times you are so lazy, but you have to do content. That is what I'm doing. I'll cover it and cook it for a while. Here is my egg cooking. So now I will add in my meat spices, seasoning cube, salt, paprika, curry powder, onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powders, seasoning cube, turmeric powder, curry powder, nutmeg. All is there. I'll just stir for a while and I'll cover and cook it for 25 minutes. All my returnees, thank you for always returning, my old and my new subscribers. I really appreciate. So here it has cooked for 25 minutes. Here is the oil that I used to fry my fish, and I'll add in onion, bay leaf, salvio herb, rosemary, my deboned dried fish. I'll add in some snail. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and be a member of our family. Turn on your post notifications so when we upload, you'll be notified. So yeah, I add mixed bell peppers, the red, the yellow, the green, and yeah, I'll add in the pre-cooked chicken and turkey. I'll just poke it down and cover. Follow me on all social platforms: Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. Lady B Varieties is the name. So yeah, it has cooked for another 10 minutes. I came into adding my cooked egg and my fish. At this point, guys, I'll cover it, and I like to cook after I've added in my meat stock. So guys, this stew is a bomb. I forgot to mention that I added some crayfish with those ingredients. So now I'll cook it for a while. Ready, you can pair with rice. Enjoy. Bye.